Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove border from Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now remove all of this border from my Google Spreadsheet. Now click on this top left right corner cell and click here and see this. All of these cells already selected. Again click and deselect and again click and see this select. Now click on this border option and select your border color option and select no border simply. Firstly select all border option and select the border. See this. There is no border. And secondly, click on this border, go to Google Sheet and select border. Now select your border color white and see this. There is no border. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.